The wig that we are installing today is from Nadula Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. This is the wig. So this is a 24-inch balayage highlight wig, Jerry curly, and I believe it's 180 density. If I'm lying, you'll see the correction on the screen. But this is what the wig looks like from the back. These are all of the highlights. Now, I want you to ignore the front. It looks frizzy because I plucked the hairline and I didn't like comb the hair out because I didn't want to do it while it was dry because I thought it was gonna like mess it up, which it does. So ignore that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It is a frontal wig. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It comes with 2 combs on the sides, a comb at the bottom, and then just your lace at the bottom here. So it's like your typical 13x4 constructed wig. In the box from Nadula, they send you a little gift bag that comes with a wig cap, some eyelashes, and a wig band. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Per usual, you know the drill. We already have the wig cap installed because we were saving time. So I'm just going to, of course, take my cream makeup from, why is it not focusing? My cream makeup black opal that I got from Wall in March. My flat top brush. We're gonna swirl it around super hard because as you can see, I am hitting pan. There's nothing left. So I have to literally dig in the edges, which is embarrassing. And I'm just going to put this all over the wig cap. We got this. Next thing, of course, is we're taking our lace in tint and coloring the inside of the wig. You see, that color is a lot better. And we are going to cut this lace off because I don't use it. Woo, okay. And now it's time to slide the wig on my head. Oof. All right. That already fit. Perfect. Okay, and of course now I'm taking my glue and I start by putting little dots around my forehead. So now I'm gonna pull this forward and melt it with that glue on this side. Now I'm going to take my water and I'm going to take my curling cream and we are going to do something with these curls. Now I'm gonna do my edges. So see, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like you see, I can never glue this part of wigs down because my sideburns are long and I refuse to cut my sideburns to like here. Even though I could, I absolutely refuse. But I just always go through or go back with that wig bond spray and just spray right there and it holds. It lasts, so it's fine. So now it's time to take this off. That looks so good. So this is the finished look when it's like down, but it's still wet right now, of course. So I'm trying to get into like this color. Like look at how the highlights are like strategically placed. I like when they put highlights like by your ear. So if you're one of the girls that like to put hair behind their ear like I do, you get that like pop of color right here, like that peekaboo color. And then you also have some near like the front right here. And this is what it looks like wet. like saturated, but so it's gonna look a little bit different when it dries. This is cute. Now I'm just gonna try a couple of other hairstyles besides leaving it down, because curly hair is so fun. You can really do so much with it. So definitely just want to try something else. So let's get into it.